Hello everyone, I am Dinesh Kumar from 3rd BA English Literature. Now I am going to explain about the topic Smart City. Smart City helps to develop the rural area to urban area. It is also helps to develop the country's economy rate. Smart City helps to develop smart economy, smart people, smart government, smart mobility, smart environment and smart living. Government should take several actions to improve the urban areas from giving electricity to all the houses and solar panel. Multi-energy gives smart city works. A developed urban area that creates sustainable economic development and high quality of life by excelling in multiple key areas, especially in economy, mobility, environment, people living and government. Excelling in these key areas can be done. So through strong human capital, social capital and our ICT infrastructure has been improved. Smart city concept integrates information and communication technology (ICT) and various physical devices connected to Internet of Things network to optimize the efficiency of city operation and services and connect to citizens. Smart city technology allows city officials to interact directly with both community and city infrastructure and to monitor what is happening in the city and how the city is evolving. ICT is used to enhance quality, performance, and interactivity of urban services to reduce cost and resource consumption and to increase contact between citizens and government. Smart city applications are developed to manage urban flows and follow to real-time responsibility. A smart city may therefore be more prepared to respond to challenge and than with a conventional transactional relationship with its citizens at the time itself remains under specific and therefore open to many interpretations. Protective urban governance. It helps in smart business environment, technology-based infrastructure, retail entertainment hubs, overall connectivity, transport, social infrastructure and integrated residential development. This is also helps to develop the smart city infrastructure. Lastly, promoting the use of next generation vehicles like BS6 to unpollute the environment to develop the smart city, promoting the use of public transportation, many intelligent transport system and in plug-in hybrid vehicle. That's all about smart city. Thank you all.